Okay, so here we are with one of our members' car. This is Mel's HT.
What have we got going on here, Melly boy?
This is a HT I bought 12 months ago or 8 months ago. It's got a 350 for it. Big compression, big flat tappet. Power glide, trans brake, 5 grand converter. Going to sort of the original look with the big wheels. Original trim.
What about the paint? You're going to leave the paint?
No, I might patina it up, mate.
Patina, mate. Love the sounds of that, brother.
Going to go original colours for the engine, make it look like a 5 litre. Yeah, and just try and get it done between now and street car for the kids, and try and get it done for our things, so that way we can make a bit of noise.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
So we'll get it ready. Hope the plan is to get it ready for our event on the 24th next year. But basically, the car, we thought we'd bring it here because it's in the build, which is cool. I think people like to see things that are processed and watch how it's going to happen, and see it finished as well.
So this is all original seats. So this is all original trim, custom 3D printed dash cluster from Stitched Up, and then eventually it'll all be half winners and a couple other different suppliers trim, all black.
Mate, you sure you don't want to leave them seats like that? I don't mind that look. Bloody
comfy.
Bloody comfy, mate.
The cool thing about these is look how cool they were in the day. Like, look at the print in there. You know?
Like even the back one, it's almost not like a set of headrests.
Yeah.
It's got
it's the Premier.
the Premier light in the dash, light up in the pillars. Like it's all old school but modern in a way, like a bit ahead of its time.
Would have been the president's car.
Taxi.
Definitely a cool car. What about the wheels? How cool's the wheels?
Yeah, so old World Stars.
We've got low here, Melly boy. Look at this.
15 by 8.
Deck, baby. Eh?
Mini tubs. 9-inch 3.5 spool. Yeah, so it's just pretty much a HT Prem, but with a bit of tickle up and a bit of chopping up here and there, and so
Cool, man.
yeah.
You gonna put Simmons on it?
Sorry?
You gonna put Simmons on it?
Yeah, bro. So yeah, that's pretty much my pride and joy, mate.
Inspiration.
And yeah, so hopefully it'll do my dad proud, and be a bit of him and a bit of my family and all the boys. So yeah, it's
And we have fun building them too. That's the main thing. We're having fun. We're all doing it all ourselves. It's like a Gatsby Garage is a bit of a at-home build with the boys. So.
yeah, just a good bunch of people having fun, and hopefully get some more people into it and do a bit for charity along the way. And, but thanks for having a look, and thanks for letting me be part of it. And
Look forward to seeing it at the end, brother.
thank you, mate.
Thanks, love. I love
Thank
you,
you,
mate.
mate.
I love you, mate. I love you, mate. Over and out.